Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Gardening Rooftop. Today we'll do the harvest of the San Marzano Desi type and also the Oxheart type. Okay, so I have already told you regarding the care of the tomato plant. That is, during the fruiting season or before the harvest, you have to apply good amount of compost or cow dung manure or chicken manure every 10-15 days, and good amount of watering every morning and evening. And also during when it is fruiting, you have to give a farm support. Okay, so I hope you have taken a good care of your plant. This is this plant. The first one, this is the San Marzano, and in the right side, this one is the that one Oxheart type. So a good sunlight is very much needed. That is 6 to 7 hours of good sunlight is needed. This one is the let's do the harvest. This is the Oxheart one. See, it's a good one, right? And next it is the San Marzano. This one. Let me bring. This is the San Marzano. See how delicious it look in the bright sunlight, right? So it is getting ripe and we are doing the harvest. I hope I can inspire you also. And this is the Desi variety. Let's pluck it. It's totally red. It looks like the apple, right? The red apple. See how delicious it looks. Let me put into this plastic container. I don't have any other one right now. Let me put this and do some more harvest and put it here. And let's also do the San Marzano one in these 3-4 ones. See, these are already ripe, and let me put this also into the plate. Okay, so this is how it looks. These are the Desi varieties, 5 Desi varieties, 5 tomatoes, and I have got like 5 San Marzano and 1 Oxheart. That is in the this one is the Oxheart. I hope I have given you a good fun watch for tomato. Till next, take a good care of your plant, take a good care of yourself, and do water properly. If you love the plant, then the plant will love you back with a good harvest, as you know. So we'll come up with another video on a flower or a fruit or a vegetable. Till next time, bye bye.